Plastic model builders, hello. This is it right here. My Tamiya F-4B Phantom II. Finally finished it. Things got broke. Things got lost. Carpet Monsters got them. Carpet Monster didn't keep them because I found them, but this is it. This is a great model. Everything you read about this model is true, from the detail to the fit. There were a couple of issues here on the nose. Sometimes right over here things didn't go quite well. Little nubbins right here that need to be removed. They're on the directions, easily missed by everybody. Make sure you get those if you haven't reached that step yet, step 21. Underside of this plane, you can see it right there. I did the options with the wing folded up here and the brakes down on that side. Everything is up on this side. I put this tank here, none on the other side, just because I wanted to do one option and leave the other. They've got these little things right here. They're hard to see. Get a picture of those that are on the wing tips, or that move up and down like this. They're not really depicted on many versions of the aircraft and models. They are on this one. Like I said, everything is virtually seamless on this aircraft. You can see the detail inside of the cockpit right here. Really good. Got some engine work that they did. That looks good. Several different missile versions you can do. Both Sidewinders and Sparrows, two different versions. Do canopy up or down with the model. You can do right here your fueling probe. You can do that in or out. As I stated earlier, wingtip up or down. Air brake down or in the flat position, as well as the Flaperon there. I think that's the Flaperon, so many different names. I know somebody will correct me. Or have it down. Wheels, they are down. Can't do those up. You would have to convert it, do a little bit of work there. There are men to this. I don't have mine in. Might have them in later. Might even do a diorama for this. I don't know. But this is the plane. Got a little movie deals there. Make it look pretty. We got model making madness. Thanks for watching. Go get the Tamiya F-4B Phantom II. Well worth it. Subscribe, comment, and like. You can do 3 different versions of this aircraft, by the way, and beautiful packaging. If you didn't see the box break video, watch that. If you didn't see my other build videos, watch those. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like. And until next time, see ya.